Hey guys, so we are like, I think we're 4 to 5 hours into this winter storm right now. Isn't it beautiful out? The snowflakes have slowed down, but we have right now probably about 3.5 inches. Our roadway is completely covered, but nobody is out and about. It's Sunday. It's been pretty quiet, but when somebody does come down this road, it looks like a big just swirl of snow. Hannah is loving this.
Can I actually make a snow angel?
You gotta button all the way up, zip all the way up. I thought that Bella would really like this, our dog, but she's not real thrilled with the snow. But it has been just so pretty. We did go to church this morning, so we did drive home in the first hour and a half of it, and it wasn't really that bad. The roads were just starting to get covered, but within 2 hours, we had 2 inches. So now there is definitely plenty of snow to make snow angels. But I just thought I would give you kind of like a quick little update, and then I will, we're supposed to get some colder temperatures, possibly freezing rain. I'm not sure. I've seen anywhere from 6 to 8 inches of snow, or up to 12 inches of snow. I don't think we're going to get that. I figured this was going to be it. She's just having a blast. She loves the snow. Absolutely loves the snow. But she was born in Ohio, so I guess she's a snow baby. But I'll make sure to make another short little video tomorrow, just with kind of an update on what the weather is doing. It's going to get pretty cold, maybe some freezing rain. Joe is going to travel into work tomorrow. He has an hour drive. We're expecting an additional.
You're fine. I didn't mean to interrupt you.
You interrupted me. Now I've lost my train of thought.
Choo choo.
Oh, you're sprinkling. I wasn't going down there.
Hey, Dad.
I don't have any.
Hey Hannah, you want to
I don't
sprinkle
have
this
any
on the
boots yet,
wood?
so
Go sprinkle that on the wood.
I'm out
The
here in
deck,
my house
the wood out
slippers.
there.
Yeah, I wasn't going to go down there without shoes,
You're fine.
like shoes on. So,
Sprinkle it lightly.
anyways, Joe is going to travel into work tomorrow. He's got an hour drive. We're thinking probably adding another 45 minutes on top of that, because he should be leaving when the freezing rain, or at least additional snow, should be coming in. So, but it's so pretty out. I'll give you a shot of the side yard.
Mom.
We've got snow up on our patio. The little garden beds are kind of buried.
Mom, look.
Cars are getting buried. My car has not been moved today. We need to come out here and clean off the mini split.
Mom, look, I made snow.
But it is just, it's so quiet out here. So quiet. And this is good packing snow. I mean, great snowballs. And Hannah is just, I'm so happy that this has been fun for her. We're staying warm. The mini splits are working. We pulled out some extra space heaters just in case the mini splits go kaput, or they can't handle the lower temperatures that we're expecting. We have little space heaters in there until we eventually get the wood stove. And we're talking cold. That's why I tell you put gloves on. You gotta put gloves on. We're eventually looking at putting in a wood stove in one room and a pellet stove in the other room. So, oh my gosh, it's our first big snow here. But awesome. So anyways, I thought I would give you guys an update and let you see our little winter weather storm that we're having. Real quick, let me show you what we are doing. We are starting to move things around the house. We're not going to do any demo or start any kind of renovations now other than painting, but we are moving the rooms around. So this was the living room. It is now going to be the dining room. So we're starting to move stuff out of here. This room is going to be better for having the dining room table in here, functionality off the kitchen, as well as storage, and of course the wood stove will go in here. I thought it was going to work as a living room, but I mean the space works for a living room, but just the way things are set up and how we want to function and use the home, especially for cooking and storage, it wasn't working. Hey, can we mount it like that?
Actually, yeah.
That's kind of cool.
Like in a driving comic.
So we're not quite sure how we're going to set this room up. But, oh, I can smell the space heater. Because we have rather large furniture from our other home because we had a great room with cathedral ceilings, so we had larger furniture. So furniture will have to be replaced eventually, but we're going to make do with what we got right now. Joe gets his television. That will make him happy, which will make me happy. So I think these rooms will get done first, and then we'll start working on the flooring come this summer, maybe spring, summer, not sure. That of course is all depending on finances and stuff. We'll start tackling the floors and get up underneath the house, but definitely paint is doable. Moving some furniture around, I'll start looking for another couch or maybe 2 chairs, and this might be where you guys can help me decide, you know, colors and what we are going to do with that room, because it is a rather small room. But so yeah, that's just kind of what we're doing here on this snowy day. Getting ready to jump in the kitchen and start on some dinner. I am making some zucchini boats tonight. That will be good, and it gives me a reason to turn on the stove and heat up the kitchen. So guys, thanks for hanging out with me for this quick little video, and I will see you next time.
Froze! Look, it froze! See?